back and forth. Behind the net, Ingram will play it. Now out in front, score! Right off the bat, Nazem Kadri and a bang-bang play. Incredible 4 power play goals for the Avalanche. Up by 2 in the second.
Well, this was just a costly miscommunication and turnover behind the net. The exchange doesn't happen. It's a simple dump it. Ingram gets it. And both Carey and Ekholm you got to talk with your goalie there. And Ingram just can't throw it in front. That's got to go to the forehand, if anything.
He hasn't looked comfortable handling the puck. I don't know his game very well. He's stopping the puck very well, but behind the net, he's looked a little tentative. In that instance, he's standing over the puck. His defensemen don't know what to do or what he's going to do.